Hey folks, this is Mike from KEI Fabrication. This is my LS swapped Mazda B2200. If you're new to my channel, go back and check out some of the modifications we've done to this to make it a road racer, a circle track racer, and a drag racer. It's in the process of undergoing some more transformations. You'll see updates on that soon. Hey folks, this is a video I did for the YouTube channel United by Trucks. During the coronavirus, they had a series called Submit Your Truck, and even though it was an import truck, I thought maybe because it was heavily modified with Chevrolet and Ford parts that it would be allowed in. Apparently it didn't make the cut, but I figured it was worth posting it because it gives you an idea of what's been done to this truck in 2 minutes, a 2-minute video. So enjoy, let me know what you think. Hey United by Trucks, this is my submission to submit your truck. Now before you disqualify me for having a Mazda B2200, let's take a little closer look. This has an all-stock 5.3 LS1 with a Camaro intake, short tube headers. It has a NASCAR aluminum radiator with an electric fan mounted out front, external oil cooler for the transmission. The front has been lowered 1.5 inches. The rear has been lowered 1 inch. The front braking system is Ford Crown Victoria hubs with Ford Explorer 11.5-inch rotors and dual piston calipers. The rear end is an 8.8 Positraction 373 gear from an Explorer that's been narrowed, and those are 16-inch by 7. The rear leaf springs have been modified to soften up the spring rate. I've got homemade slapper bars put on there. The battery has been located to the rear under the bed. The rear bumper is Chevrolet pickup truck. I installed a trans temperature gauge. This switch right here is in the up position. It operates the horn. With it in the down position, it operates the line lock. Got a small tack with a rev limiter in it. I installed the Silverado dash to be compatible with the stock ECM. I installed some gauges. This blue switch is a fan override. I can turn the fans on for the transmission cooler and the electric fan. Where the stock Mazda computer used to be, I have all of the necessary relays and the main power distribution block and fuses. The OBD 2-port is here. I've got a fire extinguisher fabricated, installed the fresh air box. I shortened the steering arms. I have a set of exhaust cutouts and the sleeper effect with the toolbox, the ladder rack, and the ladder. I hope this truck qualifies for Submit Your Truck. Stay safe, stay healthy. If you want to check out this build, it's on KEI Fabrication on YouTube.